Hello and welcome to the world of Glen appliances. In earlier times, all the kitchens in India used to have a small grinding stone called silbatta, which was used to make fresh paste of ginger, garlic, or for grinding of spices used in cooking. The reason was that freshly ground spices always give very good aroma and are very good for health. The same applies to the coffee beans also. That is why you must have seen that whenever you want to have a good coffee, the barista will grind the coffee beans freshly and then brew the coffee for you. Looking into this need, Glen introduced a small grinder where you can do all these functions in a jiffy and get that taste and aroma back into your cooking without struggling with silbatta. Let's see how versatile it is. Here, I want to grind black pepper to garnish the tomato soup, and the job is over in 30 seconds flat. Let's make the ginger paste. Oh, it's over in 60 seconds. Let me do coffee beans now for that cup of coffee. It's over in 90 seconds. The product has a 350-watt powerful motor and a stainless steel cup which is hygienic and food safe. Now you must be thinking that this has solved my grinding problem. What about small quantities of blending, pureeing, liquidizing? Glen has an answer for that also. The same powerful 350-watt motor comes with the blending jar, which also has a fruit filter attachment. Here you can do all your milkshakes, cold coffee, iced tea, cocktails and mocktails. You can also do tomato puree with the help of the fruit filter. Here, I'm putting these tomatoes in it and the puree is ready. It can be poured by keeping this lid here on the fruit filter. Let's do grapes juice in this now. You see how easy it is? Now you must be wondering that in case you want both these products, then you need to buy two products. Don't worry, Glen has an answer to that also. It comes in a combo pack also, where you get one motor and both the attachments. Lead a healthy life with Glen. Glen, the pulse of modern kitchen. For more information, log on to www.glenindia.com.